How to connect the Solflare wallet to your Raydium swap. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open Solflare Wallet on your device. Log into your account and you will be seeing this type of interface. Go ahead and click on the browser icon on the right hand side corner. So after you do that, just go ahead and search for Raydium. After you search for Raydium, you can just go ahead and click on the search icon. It will go to Google and you can just go ahead and tap on the first link, which is Swap Raydium. Once you click on it, you can see the option of Connect option. So you can just go ahead and tap on Agree and tap on Enter Raydium and tap on Connect over here. Once you tap on Connect, you can just tap on Solflare, tap on the Connect icon. Once you do that, your Solflare wallet will be connected to your Raydium swap account as well. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.